The TriLock locking technology represents a unique method of a screw-to-plate connection. Here, a so-called multidirectional angular stable friction locking mechanism is utilized that allows for a swiveling angle of plus and minus 15 degrees. Using the TriLock system, the typical torque characteristic has to be taken into consideration. The insertion torque will gradually increase until the screw head comes into contact with the plate. As soon as the screw head gets inserted into the plate hole, an additional increase of the insertion torque can be noticed. Once fully inserted, a sudden drop in the torque can be felt. Continuing the insertion of the screw by another quarter of a revolution, the torque will increase distinctively. In this phase, the friction locking mechanism is activated and the screw can be firmly tightened. This signalizes that the screw is now securely locked inside of the plate. After that, the screw must not be tightened any further, otherwise the locking cannot be assured.